Yeah, I just want to say,
This video is
a story time video is coming out. So yeah, stay tuned for that. It's crazy. Alright. Oh, he got a sponsor? Okay, okay. Hmm?
Navi. Get the Pepto-Bismol.
Hello, listen. I love the music. Whoa!
Hey Link, if we could all get over our sense of tribalism and see the other side as people trying.
Ah!
Stop!
Oh, oh. Oh my god.
Link, listen very carefully.
Oh god. Wow.
1 hour later.
Hour later.
Oh, are you leaving? I want you to have this. Take it.
Wow. Okay, good. Hated that part.
Bye-bye.
What the? Ew! That's disgusting.
Have you ever had a
Dream that you wish,
want
you wish.
you want
Yes.
Ew. Whoa.
Bye-bye.
We're starving. We need rocks to eat, but Dodongo's cavern is blocked off by a boulder.
Why don't
Oh.
you eat the boulder?
Wow. Smart. Oh. Oh. Listen. Ugh. Let the boy pass.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Oh. It's Gandalf. Oh.
Link.
Stop. Why you do that? Oh.
Stop. Are you using ExpressVPN? Sending data over an unencrypted internet connection is like sending a postcard. Your message is wide open for the mailman and any other nosy people to see. Whenever you're connected to an unencrypted internet network on your phone, computer, tablet, TV, etc., you're sending countless pieces of information out into the digital world that can be seen and intercepted by many different parties before they get to their intended destinations. But a VPN, or virtual private network, creates a secure tunnel between your device and the internet. In other words, it puts an envelope around your postcard so that no one can sneak a peek at your private correspondence. Now you're safe.
Great! Now Mark Zuckerberg can't sell my data to the Illuminati.
That's right. Find out how you can get 3 months free by clicking the link in the description box below, expressvpn.com/terminalmontage.
Alright, that was an awesome episode. Good job, Terminal Montage. I loved it. Can't wait for part 2. Feel like there's gonna be something at the end. I just feel it. There's always something at the end. It's a lot of supporters. Was there nothing at the end? Smash Bros? Alright, thanks so much for watching, and also stay tuned for the story time video that I'm gonna make sooner or later. So yeah, peace out.